Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what we just got done helping do with Aquascapes at their headquarters up here in St. Charles, Illinois. We built this really crazy, awesome pergola for them that sits on top of this true swim-up bar with a fish viewing window down in this sunken patio. And we also built this really awesome deck with these big built-in planters. I'll walk you up these. They've got other little fountains out here. This is their display gardens in the back, so they've got it kind of blocked off now, but they've got a bunch of fountains and the waterfalls all back behind all this. It just turned out really spectacular and really proud of it. Got a built-in planter over here by the skimmer intake, and you can see it working super good. Pulling all the leaves and trash and keeping it all in here. Little on a beach area. Sit in these chairs, these bowls, having waterfalls. We built this deck cantilevers out over the water 2 feet, and it's got a step. I take the step right down in the pond. With the step down here, this is 4 foot deep. You can swim over here. True swim-up bar. We put all the cedar on the inside, and we trimmed all these walls with this cedar coping. Really like how it turned out. Makes it pop. They just got done doing all the plantings on the back. And they got a bunch of sedums and crawlers over there. They're gonna pull this patio out in the morning, and that's all gonna be a black crushed stone to match the black crushed stone that you can't see yet, but you will tomorrow. You'll be able to see it be crystal clear. Really like the big arches we put on the pergola, and we did the half flaps on the corners on the header beams. Pretty cool project to get to be part of, and I hope you guys like it.